Hello, and welcome to Trading with WebRDD. In today's video, I will analyze the gold market using multiple time frames. We will draw support and resistance, as well as buying and selling zones, combined with exponential moving averages to identify the best buying and selling opportunities available in today's market. First of all, I am going to the 4-hour chart. You can see that yesterday, after this big rally, the price broke up by this small sell zone. After that, it was retested, but there were no buying opportunities. We know that when prices come back to the top of sell zones, it sometimes shows buying opportunities. But at that time, there were none because the price was at the top of the channel, and we could see some pullback. The only opportunity that occurred yesterday was on the 1-hour chart when a price came down to the 20 EMA. That was the only opportunity to enter the market provided in yesterday's market. But it was not a big confirmation to enter, because above, we could see a sell zone forming near it. Okay, let's go back to the 4-hour chart and identify whether there are any new support and resistance levels to draw. You can see the market going to the top of the channel and pulling back. Therefore, I'm going to duplicate this line for the 39,896.85 level. This is our new resistance. After that, I'm going to delete all the old zones and draw new zones. I will hide the exponential moving averages. The market is still in a bullish trend. Therefore, first I'm drawing by zones. We can see there are a couple of good buy zones. You can see there is a small candle with a 1-hour buy. This is a small opportunity. If we see any pullback, we can enter with confirmations. Our first buy zone is around 3,864. This is our first buy zone, but it is a very low probability to work. Next, we can see a big movement around this wick. This is our second buy zone. So, our first buy zone is 3,864, and this wick is the second buy zone. I will reduce the areas using another adjustment. These are the two areas I am looking at if the price comes back. Okay, now I'm going to draw the sell zones. There's only a small sell zone around there. I will mark that as a 1-hour sell zone. Now, I'm going to the 1-hour chart, reducing and identifying our buying and selling zones. This is the buy zone I was drawing on the 4-hour chart, and I made a little correction with this candle on the 1-hour chart. This is the first buy zone, and it is already testing. You can see the 50 EMA with that. If the price comes down there, we will have good opportunities to enter the market with confirmations. There is another area I would like to reduce to this candle and wick around the 3,805 to 3,792 area. Okay, these are the buying and selling zones I am looking at to enter the market. Also, we can sell the market around the 3,890 area. Let's check what we can expect in today's market behavior. If prices come down there and you can see any fair value gap on the 5-minute or 15-minute chart, you can enter the market with that fair value gap and buy. This is our first buy zone. On the other hand, if prices break down there and then retest, you can sell the market. There is a sell available. You can take that trade. On the other hand, if the price goes down with the 200 EMA, you can enter the market as a buyer by using the fair value gap when it occurs. These are the best possible opportunities to enter the market. Also, there is another sell setup. If the price goes above and then retests, you can sell around that area. But this is not a good idea because the price is in a big rally. However, since we are at the top of the channel, you could consider it. These are the best opportunities one can see in this market. This is a good place to buy around the 50 EMA and 3,857.6 level. Thank you very much for watching my video. Those are today's levels and possible trading setups. At the end of the day, come back and check whether the forecast played out as expected and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit my website trading.webrdd.com for more updates. See you tomorrow.